Hello learners, it's great to see you again. Today, we will explore how to find the volume of a cube. Let's look at this cube. It is a 1-unit cube. Let's form a row of 10 unit cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, there are 10 1-unit cubes. We can replace 10 1-unit cubes with a row of 10 unit cubes. Next, let's form 10 rows of 10 unit cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 rows of 10 unit cubes. How many unit cubes are there in total? Pause and discuss with your friends. Since there are 10 rows of cubes and each row has 10 cubes, the total number of cubes is 10 times 10, which equals 100. Since 10 rows of 10 unit cubes has 100 cubes, we can replace it with a layer of 100 unit cubes. Now, let's form 10 layers of 100 unit cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 layers of 100 unit cubes. How many cubes are there in total? Pause and discuss with your friends. Remember that each layer of 100 unit cubes has 10 times 10 cubes. Since there are 10 layers, the total number of cubes now is 10 times 10 times 10, which equals 1000. We can form a large cube using these unit cubes. Since there are 1000 unit cubes, the volume of the cube is 1000 cubic units. We can also find the volume of the cube by multiplying the length of its edges. The volume of a cube is equal to edge A times edge B times edge C. Since all three edges have equal lengths of 10 units each, the volume of this cube is 10 times 10 times 10, which is 1000 cubic units. Today we have learned how to find the volume of a cube. Great job on completing this video. Hope to see you again.